Anybody want a caramel apple, but in a glass?
I'm Greg.
I'm Julie, and we're the Crafty Winers. We were just saying that we like caramel apples, but we don't like them whole on a stick because we don't like to bite into it.
That first bite.
Yeah.
After that, once there's a dent in it, it's easy, but the first bite sucks.
I like the caramel dip that you can buy.
Dip your
And
apple
just
slices.
do apple slices in it.
But this is better because this has alcohol in it.
That is
So
true.
this beats all. So we have done caramel apple cider before, but it was a long time. It was a long time ago. And we haven't tried it for a long time. So this is our base apple cider.
Yep.
And she did it, so I don't know the specifics, but typically they're going to be around 3.8, hopefully, pH.
Actually, so when I racked it, it was high. It was like 4.3. So I put
That's interesting.
malic acid in it and got it down to 3.7, basically. So that's where it's at right now.
Did you put
Yes.
apple juice concentrate?
No, I did not.
Okay. So she did sorbate it,
I did sorbate it.
and you don't want to put the apple juice concentrate in it until 24 hours after you sorbate
Right.
it, that's probably why she didn't.
I did.
I assume she's
just
going to
stuck
want to because you're gonna want to have that apple
apple
taste. and
flavor.
a
Well,
caramel
let's
apple,
taste
but
it the way it is, but it's been a while since I've tasted it
This
before
is-
we put the juice in it.
This is chilled. Oh, I didn't finish my statement. So watch our video on the base apple cider
Yes.
recipe to figure out how to come up with this. And again, typically, I think in that video, we probably added a can of apple juice concentrate to it.
I'm not sure we
And
did in that
We
one.
haven't done it here yet, but I believe we're going to want to.
Probably.
She'll say here in a minute.
And of course, I didn't thaw a can, but I can do that.
We probably have some that are thawed.
Oh, yeah. Oh, oof. Wow. Yeah, I need some,
Yeah, so
need some
there's-
juice.
There's a malic flavor, but there's almost zero apple flavor.
It's like an aftertaste of apple, but it's...
And this is how it typically is after you
Tart.
right after you ferment it. Until you need to add flavor back in because fermentation strips that. You want the rest of that, don't you?
No, I'm good.
So we need to put a can of apple juice concentrate. So we will get one located and put it in.
We are going to probably... will it all fit in here?
Yeah.
Okay.
It will be full, but it'll fit. So she has done intentionally dry ciders and didn't add this, just added whatever flavor she wanted. And that's a good technique too. But for caramel apple, you want it to taste like an apple.
Yeah.
And it does not taste like apple right now.
A tiny bit, but yeah.
Like I said, this is going to be full, but I do believe it'll be fine. We happen to have this thawed out in the fridge without being opened. If you get into a situation like what we were just in,
I thought I was going to.
Walmart brand has microwave instructions for defrosting
It's like a minute or something in the microwave.
it. Yeah, so it's cool. So now it'll taste more like just a good apple cider, hard apple cider. We just added concentrated form apple sweet back in. Much better idea than adding apple juice to it to sweeten it. And don't do this until you've sorbated it. So again, watch our base cider video and you can watch our video on additives, our deep dive on additives to find what else she did. No, I might have given you a little much.
What else?
This will taste
She
better
did.
than the last one.
I'm not sure I like the way you said that. Much better.
Yeah, that's a good plain hard
Cider.
apple cider.
It's real tart, which is good that it's starting out more tart because this is sweet.
This is going to sweeten it a lot. So this came from Walmart. Usually we get our syrups off Amazon, but we probably actually bought it for coffee.
We were desperate to try something in a cider that we had, and obviously we weren't going to get Amazon the same day, so I ordered
Not
it
in our
from.
area.
I ordered it from Walmart instead. And this is the only kind they had. They didn't have sugar-free, so this is
sugared, but that's okay because this is sorbated.
Yep.
So we probably want to start off with 2 ounces, and I bet you we're going to end up doing 3, so we can skip to the chase, or we can do 2.
Oh, that smells so good. Oh, did we say what it was? It's salted caramel.
Salted caramel. Yeah. So
Yeah.
this is going to be I think that's going to be really good in this. But
I think, well, let's do...
one of the dogs farted.
Which... Oh, the butt is right there. Whoo-wee!
It's killing my salted caramel flavor wafting.
Do you want to do 3 or 2?
I want to wait till this goes away. This green cloud that's floating.
I could see the graphic now. Green cloud.
Let's do 3 ounces.
Okay.
I do believe we want a lot of caramel in this.
Well, we want to taste the caramel for sure.
It's the outside of the caramel apple that you want to taste, not the inside. This is 3 ounces. Now we're full.
Oh, yeah.
We won't be putting a whole lot more in here without taking some out. But that's okay too, because we can mix it up. We are going to be force carbonating this. And I think the plan is to do that here in the next few days so that we can taste it next week.
Yes.
But we're going to want to cold crash this, which means put it in the fridge for 3 days, cold fridge, so that the sediment sinks to the bottom. Because I can tell that
It's got
a decent amount of sediment.
See stuff floating.
So we want to do that and then make sure that you don't add the sediment to the carbonating into the carbonating keg.
Into the carbonating cake. It's kind of a tongue twister.
Okay, I have high expectations.
You know what they say about that.
Well, I'm surprised.
Look.
No, I'm surprised it's not sweeter than it is.
Yeah, but you can taste the caramel. But it's still tart. But I guess, an apple, well, depending on what kind of apple you put in caramel is going to be tart.
There isn't really. I expected there to be more sweet. It's not. It's good.
You want more?
It's good, but I don't know. What do you think? You're more of a cider drinker.
Here's the thing that we have to consider is the carbonation. Because we never know which flavor is going to be weird and get stripped out with the carbonation.
I think it'll be apple, but
possibly.
So here's my suggestion, and this is going to run into the next video that we're going to do. We have some green apple syrup, and I would say add some of that so that we get a little bit of sweet and a little more apple.
I think it's got enough apple.
You're going to make us taste it again.
Okay, well. And the syrup that we're going to be using is green.
It's not going to make this green. It'll change the color. I don't know what brown and green makes.
I like it.
Well, if you like
I'm
it.
afraid that the caramel will get diminished by the carbonation is my only thing.
That's the thing, is I don't even taste a whole lot of the caramel. Maybe it's just me.
Well, put some more caramel in it.
Well,
try another ounce.
It tastes like a lot of the ciders that you especially order. She drinks a lot more ciders than I do. I can see that when it's carbonated, it's going to taste like a lot of those. I just kind of expect better of the ones that we make. I think it should be a little sweeter and have a little more flavor. That's just my opinion. If we carbonated this right now, this will taste like a lot of commercial ciders. Yeah. For sure.
I think it's good, but it could be a tiny bit sweeter. But I don't really want to put that green apple syrup.
Well, then let's just compromise and do some more of this and then see if you change your mind.
Okay.
So we can't put a lot. Well, we can, but we can put 2 ounces if you want 2 ounces.
Let's try.
One's not very much. 1.5.
Okay.
And then this is going to be full. What are you doing, Nordog?
She's starting. She's winding up.
Why are you barking at me? I can't touch you. This is a sterilized environment. Or at least star sand. You're not star sand.
No. It would take a whole lot of star sand to sanitize her.
You quit barking at us.
She's talking back. Talking back.
And she's nervous about Pippin because Pippin's kind of the babysitter. So she looks at Pippin to make sure Pippin's okay with her barking.
Sometimes she doesn't care. What was that? Was that Nori?
She's whacking me with her tail.
Is Timmy in the well? Yeah, Timmy's in the well.
We don't care about Timmy. Okay.
Yeah, I wouldn't make it any sweeter than that. It's apple up front and it's got caramel on the back end.
Okay, I'll go with your judgment.
You don't agree?
No, it's better. It's definitely better now than it was. So how many? That was
It was 3.5 ounces, or 4.5 ounces.
2 and then 1.5. No, 3.
But we did 3 to
and then
start out with. 1.5. So yeah,
Okay.
4.5.
Okay, so like I said, she's more of the cider expert, and I know that she prefers dry ciders.
I like them not overly sweet.
It makes it so you can drink more of it for sure.
Yeah.
So now we are going to cold crash this in the fridge, and then I will carefully. I probably won't rack it into another container. I'll just carefully auto siphon this out of here into our carbonating keg and force carbonate it, and we will come back and give it a taste.
Yes, we will. Okay. Happy tasting day.
It's 3 or 4.
Literally, our whole taping session this week is all tasting because we had a whole bunch of them to finish.
We carbonated and bottled 4 gallons, which ended up being 4 of these 1.5 liter flip tops for each batch, and then another 6 or 7
For each
12-ounce
batch.
bottles.
Yeah,
A lot.
it was a lot, and now we get to taste them all, so we're not complaining about that part.
Luckily, this is Thanksgiving month.
Nope. No, you're good.
And why?
I was going to say I had one that had a cap on it that I bottled too, but we can drink that later.
It's Thanksgiving month, which would be November for you that are slow. And
Unless they're in Canada.
and we have a bunch of nieces and nephews that we're going to be spending Thanksgiving with that are going to have to try a lot of these batches that we made today.
Have to try. We're going to force them to try this
Yes,
stuff.
we are.
I think they're going to like it. Well, I mean, I don't know. I haven't tried this one yet after it's been carbonated, but the other two I think they're going to like.
And this is the caramel cider.
You definitely smell caramel. Yeah, I think people are going to like that.
Oh, yeah.
It's tart up front and then has the sweet caramel in the back.
But it's not sweet.
But you know what I mean? Like, in the back of your tongue, it's like the sweet caramel, but the tartness stands out in front.
It's pretty good.
It's really good.
That's one I think you could drink quite a bit of.
Oh, yeah, I could.
Stopping.
For sure.
And that is one thing we score things on. How much can we drink?
You know, we stopped scoring.
We haven't scored
haven't done
since the first couple of months.
Yeah.
Oh, bring it back.
We got to bring back the corgi paws. Corgi paws in the nose?
Where are we going to find corgis with paws?
Oh, I don't know.
You guys have paws?
You got paws and noses and ears and tongues. And one of them has a tail.
There's no jealousy there. No tail envy. Yeah, it's good.
I like it a lot.
This is probably one of the driest ciders we've made.
But it's
got the
deceiving.
Caramel. The caramel does have a little sweet
It's
tang
dry.
to it.
It is. It's deceiving because it's dry and tart.
Mm-hmm.
But then, like, your brain still thinks it's kind of sweet because of the caramel aftertaste. Oh, now you started it.
What?
But yeah, I know. I know what time you think it is.
It is. It's 5:30, which is food time.
Ooh.
Yeah, food. It's one of their favorite words.
We're almost done. I think we're going to drink this with dinner. And what is that? Is that a bee?
No. Maybe a ladybug?
Oh, yeah, you know what it is. I think it is. How did it get in here?
Is that good luck or bad luck when it's inside your house?
I don't know.
Well,
We'll say good.
let's not walk under any ladders for the rest of the day.
Where's the salt? I'll throw some over my shoulder. Okay. Well, thank you guys for watching another video. I hope you enjoyed this one, and I seriously would try this one. because it's really good.
Yeah.
Please like the video and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. And for those of you who have, we appreciate you guys. And until next time, cheers.